Oh, I guess I better look and see what I gotta do this week. Let's see. Oh, that's week 4. I mean, it's not due until Monday, so maybe I could do it after work on Monday. It's not that much, right? I just gotta do a reading, watch a video, do a discussion. I can do that discussion right now. After reading blogs and watching, I'm not reading that shit. You should have some interesting ideas. Okay, I could do this. What I need to say right now, I'm going to add a new discussion. Reading. I love this reading. Really important. It makes me want to get active. Okay, cool. Did that. Got that part of my work done. What else do I gotta do? Reading exegesis. What the fuck? Alright, I gotta do reading notes. Okay, let me do my reading notes. Reading 1. Really hard to read. Boggs talks about Detroit and being active. Okay, cool. Reading 2. A bunch of women marched. Alright, cool. Reading 3. I didn't understand this reading at all. I will have to study it more. Let's see what happens if he really looks at this. Exigency is something about rhetoric. There, he's going to think I read it. Okay, I'm cool. All right, got that part of my work done. What else do I got to do this week? I mean, I got so many other things to do. Got work to go to. I got to do my chemistry homework. All right, I got all this stuff done. I'm cool. He's gonna know that I did it all. What? Wait. You need to post your papers by 2/23. What papers? What are we doing? Writing what? Writing 2. What was that about? Assignment for writing number 2. Okay. I think I remember seeing some clip of a video. I gotta write a public letter to address some issue of public protest. Okay. News story about protest. Okay. I can do this. This isn't that hard. I gotta write about a news story about protest. So let me type in news, search for news story about protest. Let's see what I come up with. Protest latest story. Okay. I can go to Politico latest stories. Myanmar security forces intensify crackdown on protesters. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I'm good now. I know what to do there. So let me see. I can't post it here yet. So let me go down to my workshop and I'll write my letter. I guess I better read that article a little more closely. Myanmar pointed guns towards anti-coup protesters and attacked them with sticks on Monday, seeking to quell large-scale demonstrations calling for military junta that seized power earlier this month to reinstate the elected government. All right, so there's some bad things happening. I mean, this is just a workshop draft, right? So I don't have to worry about that. My writing number 2. Dear Mayor of Myanmar. I guess there's probably a mayor, right? There's a mayor. Hurting protesters is wrong. everyone should have the right to protest. Would you want someone to hurt you if you protested? I think mayors should encourage protests so that people feel comfortable sharing their ideas. Look at the U.S. Here we have the right to protest whenever we want. Our people have freedom of speech. Your people should too. What else? I don't. Oh, I hate this. I gotta write. It's not due until the 23rd. I mean, I'm doing great, but what else can I write about? Oh, I know. I'll look for a Martin Luther King quote. Martin Luther King said, protest should be nonviolent, and that people can change their world when they protest, right? He said something like that. All men were created equal, so all men, and women should be able to protest. When you, Mr. Mayor, hurt the protesters, you are taking away people's rights. Don't be afraid to protest. Get out and fight. Oh, he'll love that. He's such a liberal. Okay. I think this is a good paper. I like what I'm doing here. I'm writing to the mayor of Myanmar. I'm doing the assignment. I'm writing about protests. Cool. Ready to go. I love college. It's so easy. I'm going to get an A on this one. I know it. All right. I guess I better go back and look. Let me go back and look at the assignment again. Let's see. I think it was week 4. Rhetorical awareness. What the hell does that even mean? Write a public letter to address some issue of public protest. Your letter will be written to a public official. Cool, mayor, yeah. In either case, you should be thinking about the letter you write as a public letter that will publicize an issue regarding protests. He made a mistake. You see as important. The letter you will write will be written with the intent to persuade the individual to whom it's addressed. I know I persuade the mayor, and to persuade the larger public. I don't get that. What the constituency? What the hell does that mean? Around that individual. In order to develop and refine your letter, you need to think about the rhetorical situation of the letter. What does that even mean? This is a dumb assignment. Okay, I don't know what all that stuff is. Let me just look at the requirements. Meet the genre expectations for letter. I said dear, and I'm good. It must identify the specific official, mayor, yeah. It must focus on issues of protest arising from the news story you found. I mean, he's beating up people, so yeah, I did that. It must be based around a central claim or thesis, I guess. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, maybe. It must show that you are aware of the rhetorical situation and that you are using elements of that situation to help you develop your persuasive writing. I guess I'm doing that, right? I mean, I made him care about hurting people and talked about why I'm writing and how Myanmar should be more like the U.S. 2 pages in length. I mean, I guess if I used 15-point font, I'm getting there close, right? And it's turned in. Cool. I'm awesome. I'm getting an A. I know how to do this class. I can't wait to be done with English 131. And just, go back to writing texts. All right, now, what's happening in political science?